Join me as we head out to Dubai for lunch, stop over at the last exit, and learn how to make creme brulee. Good morning. This is Kuya Raymund. He just arrived here in Abu Dhabi.
Guys, we're renting a car. We're going to Dubai just for lunch.
And we're gonna rent a car. And this will be our beautiful driver. Say hi. Rent a car, let's make coffee. Just a coffee machine. Okay guys, so we are on our way to Dubai. So this is our sexy driver. Kuya Raymund is at the back. So how long is the ride from Abu Dhabi to Dubai?
An hour and 20 minutes.
Huh?
An hour and 20?
An hour 20 minutes.
An hour and 15. Depends how fast you drive.
Depends on how fast you drive. And before we proceed to Dubai, we're going to the last exit
For coffee break.
for a coffee break because we haven't had breakfast yet. So, but it's almost 10:48 a.m. So see you in Dubai later. So this is the road to Yas Island to Dubai, right? Kunyari pupunta ng Dubai. What are must place to visit, Jay?
Dubai Mall!
Virtual araw pa ba tawag nila?
Yeah, virtual araw.
Like ako, for example, diba? Pag nami-miss ko yung Philippines, to travel to Philippines from Geneva, it was 16 hours. So magta-travel lang ako sa Dubai kasi parang nasa Manila na ako. So daming Philippine establishments, kabayan.
Restaurants. Pati mga clubs, mga
homesick
bars.
sa Dubai. Sa Dubai, hindi mo, kailangan pag nasa Dubai ka, huwag ka matutulog. At hindi ka tayo matutulog. Daming gagawin sa Dubai.
It's true.
At saka kailangan, lalo ngayon, kailangan maraming ang pera. Shopping. Kasi
Mali yung notion nila na yung especially dun sa siguro sa viewers na hindi pa nakakapunta ng Dubai. Dubai is an open city. So may mga bars, mga friends.
Video nga yan.
There's bars and clubs. And now we have reached the last exit.
One Kuya Grande.
No, small lang.
Tall lemon mint breeze. One tall lemon mint breeze. And then?
Frappuccino.
Which one?
Grande.
Which frappuccino?
Mocha Frappuccino.
Mocha frapp, please, grande.
You want those peaches frozen?
Thank you.
Okay guys, so we have reached the last exit. As you can see, there's a lot of food stalls and restaurants. There's an ice cream stall there. And let's see what else we can try later on. I think this is better at night time. Also because of the lights. This is... It's a burger in Arabic. They have big smoked burger. And yeah, this is also a Mexican themed restaurant. Now let's continue our journey to Dubai. Now we have reached Joy and Antti's villa. And now let's go on a house tour with our friendly cat. Okay, what are we cooking today, chef?
So what we are making is creme brulee. So very simple. You need 2 AED off whipping cream. So it has to have 2 dirhams off. Otherwise, you have 1 cup of sugar with vanilla beans. Measuring cup sponsored by Joy. It has to be. You need 10 eggs, 1 liter of cream, 1 cup of sugar with vanilla bean. That's it. That's how simple.
What kind
it
of cream, chef?
is. To be pure and 35%.
Okay.
So that's the secret. Actually, it's very easy. So I just need to break the eggs. There you go. So this is like paleo keto friendly creme brulee. Yeah.
Without the sugar.
Yeah. And then put the sugar, a la
So
Jane.
10 egg yolks plus how much?
1 cup of sugar with vanilla beans. Fresh from Madagascar, Jane. 1 liter.
So you're gonna finish everything?
No, that's 1 liter. Yeah. Ah, no, you have to do it slowly, otherwise there will be so much bubbles. Just do strain to remove the egg whites, and we're good. So here we go. And this is it. Just put it in the oven, bake
So you put it in the oven for how long?
around 40 minutes. 120 to 150 degrees.
Oh my god, you put it.
Like tingnan mo. Like pinush ko siya sa gitna, it's like it bubbles, like ripple. That's it, it's done. Pero tingnan mo to. Ayan, that's how you know it's baked. Yeah. Same with leche flan. No, mamaya.
Wait lang. Okay, chef, what type of sugar are
This is
you?
called Demerara sugar, or the Alma Morena's favorite sugar.
Uh-huh.
So you just need to put then.
Why is this type of sugar needed? for
Because
this?
this one stays hard for a long time, not like. And then you just burn and then burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn.
Too small.
It's alright.
It's like a while.
Yeah. So the sugar also burns nicely. If you use white sugar, it will burn fast.
So now the creme brulee is ready. So we're gonna taste. It's nice and crunchy. It's not too sweet because of the Demerara sugar. Perfect.
And now it's time to enjoy and catch up over lunch. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos.